Hello, in today's video, we will be creating an NFT within 5 minutes or even less actually. So you go to Canva, you open up a page. I'm sure by now you know how to do that. If not, you can go to one of my videos to show you how to do that. Now you can choose whatever size you want. I've chosen 1000 by 1000 pixels. So now you go to elements over on the left hand side and we look for something, some image that you want to. Let's say you want to look for something like a lion, for example. Okay, you can go for graphics and let's choose something that's free. Okay, I'll show you. So we'll choose that. So that's what we've chosen. Now for this one, you can edit it. So since you've clicked it, you've highlighted, you go up here, it's edit image. See it here, it may be down here, so you just have to click on it to connect. So we go to see all, and these are the various ways you can do the pixels. This is one here. It just says pixel, and you can adjust. If you look at the adjustments here, you can adjust it the way you want it. Okay, maybe you don't want it too pixelated, and that's the way. Okay, so you apply it. So once you've applied it, now you can go for the background. Okay, so let's go to elements and let's look for a background. Now you do have here background as well, but I want to choose a background that is not there and make it into a background. Okay, so there are different ones here, so you can choose perhaps this one. So you just bring it up here and you can do that. Okay, then you can, so this is one, and you can change the color, because I encourage you to change the color as much as you can, because other people use Canva as well. So you want to differentiate yourself. So you go up here and you edit image again. And this time you can change it to dual tone. You can change it to photogenic. Let's try photogenic and see. It's all a similar color, so I don't want that. So let me go down to color mix. So you can go to color mix and you can change it. Let's say for this one you want maybe, marine. It's called marine, or maybe Arctic. And then you can go to the image, the back edit image, because remember the background, you can change that as well. So you can change it to brighter, darker. That's the saturation. And then you can also go up to transparency, maybe make it a bit, and even this one, you can change the transparency, not too much. That's it. And that's it. You've got your NFT. It was less than maybe 3 minutes. So what you can do then is you can duplicate it, okay? And then you can choose a different, you can edit it again. You can maybe do a different color, okay? This time, maybe you want it to be green. And then you can change the background to something else. Maybe this is the background you want. So you're getting a variation now. So this is how you can get a collection. You can get a collection of this, blue, green, red, whatever it is. And it's as easy as that. So I hope you like this. If you did, please do check out my other videos. Do subscribe, comment, and let me know if you would like to see something else. Okay, bye.